Hey, welcome to Leverage, and this is my first full YouTube video. So shout out to you for being here from the very beginning. I'm learning how to trade forex and crypto, and everything I learn, I'm going to teach you to step by step. Today, we are breaking down candlesticks, the most basic but powerful thing in trading. If you've ever looked at the charts and got confused, I've been there. Let me show you what I've learned so far. Section 1. What is a candlestick? A candlestick is a visual representation of price movement in a specific time period, showing the open, high, low, and close prices of an asset. All these things you see in these green, red, green candles is basically what we call the candlestick. For example, this candle, might represent a minute candle. It might represent an hour. It might represent a day. It might represent a month or even a year. So, this particular candle you're seeing here is just telling us a story. It's like a mini story of what price did within a certain period of time. Each candle is like a mini story. It shows if buyers were stronger or if sellers were in control. Now, for the green candle, we call it the bullish candle. And this is basically what it means. At the lowest point here, this lowest wick, we call it the low. This low is basically the lowest price the candle ever recorded. Then the open is where the price started. The close is where the price closed within a certain period of time, and the high is the highest point the price ever reached in a certain period of time. Now we go to the bearish candle. The low is basically where the price, the lowest price, the sellers pushed the price up to. Then for this red candle, we should know that the opening price will be at the top body, the close below, then below the close we have the low, then at the highest point we call it the high. This is basically the highest price ever recorded for this particular candlestick. Section 2. Time frames. Now, time frames confuse me at first, but here's what I understand now. A candlestick represents a certain period of time. For example, we're on TradingView now, and we're on a 1 minute chart. What you need to understand basically here is that each candle you're seeing here represents 1 minute. It's basically the whole trading activities that happen within 1 minute. So this candlestick is telling you the story, is giving you the mini story of what the buyers and the sellers did in the market within 1 minute. Then the 1 hour is also the same process. The candlesticks tells you what happened between the buyers and the sellers every hour. So if you see a green candle popping up, that means within 1 hour the buyers took control, they dominated the market. Then for your red candle, it means the sellers took control and dominated within an hour. So that's it. Then the 1 day basically represents the trading activities within a day. So if you see a green candle, it means the buyers dominated. And if you see a red candle, that means that the sellers dominated. Section 3. Simple candlestick patterns. There are lots of patterns, but these are the few I'm starting with. Don't worry if these don't stick right away. I'm still practicing them too. You get it as you watch charts more. Section 4. I pick a currency pair or a crypto pair like USD or BTC USDT. Then I switch to a 15 minutes or 1 hour time frame. I try to guess what's happening. Is the market going up? Is it reversing? I look for patterns like dojis or engulfing candles. At first, it was confusing. Now it's starting to make sense slowly. Don't rush it. Section 5. Now that I understand candlesticks a little better, I'm starting to learn about market structure, support and resistance, how candles react at key levels. So if you're down to learn all of this with me, hit that subscribe button and join me on this journey. That's it for today's video. If you learned something new, even one thing, drop a comment saying let's build leverage so I know you're with me. I'll reply to everyone who supports this early. This is just the beginning. Let's grow leverage. Peace out and stay leveraged.